Hi and welcome to my Amazon video review of these 12 carabiners. They are colorful, they are light, they are big, and they're pretty nice. They're not the sturdiest, but if you need a lot of carabiners, then this is a great way of getting them. And they also have, I'll give you a close-up view of this, and let me pull off two of these. They come in 6 different colors, 2 of each of them. So this is the close-up view, and they have a little key ring on this. So on this one, I attached my keys. So I'm not sure why you need a key ring, because you can already put stuff on there anyway. So it's very lightweight. The locking mechanism only kind of works, and it's not completely sturdy, but it's good for a really basic one, and I think they realized that it didn't lock, so they stamped down here "not for climbing." And that may be why they put the keychain on, to remind you to use it for things like keys, not for things like climbing. So this, when I first used this, I thought it was broken, because you can have this go up and then it seems like it's not working, but you need to get it into the sweet spot right there, and then it's locked. And it's also if you have it all the way up like this, where it's really moving around, then it's still kind of locked. Well, I guess it's still locked because you can't move that. So it's not very tight, but it works. And then let me give you a close-up of this. So there's that, like that, and then that. Tried to show you the full range of motion without getting my fingers in the way. And then this is it hooking onto a clip. And I'll hook this one onto the clip too. Oops. So then this is all of them: purple, blue, green, gold, silver, red. And the same thing here: purple, green, or blue, green, gold, silver, and red. And then my keys. So I think you'll like this a lot if you're in the market for lightweight, big carabiners. And that's my Amazon video review. Thank you very much.